Whoa, tough question. Very tough question. On set, every day something would happen around me. Some light would fall, some trolley would almost go over my foot. So for me, like I have an eternal crush I mean like love for Shah Rukh Khan. So when I was coming, in fact, Charlotte, my makeup artist, she was like, Addu, where's your ring? I was like, oh, I left it at home. But that ring also has a story. It's called the Toi et Moi ring, and that means the you and I ring. So 100% I have a wish list. I have many dreams, and I'm a dreamer. But I like Golgappa. You should keep your soul happy. Yeah? If your soul is happy, your skin will be fine. I'll give you 2 red flags. That day, I had to literally be like, come now, please now, let's dance now, please now, please now. I was dying to dance. I love the morning. I really like the morning. जाइए आप कहाँ जाएंगे?
Hi guys, I've decided to call this the Fantastic Round Table और उसकी वजह ये है क्योंकि fans यहाँ हैं and the fantastic Aditi Rao Hedri is here.
Yes, I'm so happy to be here. Thanks, guys.
We are here with your fans जिन्होंने मतलब legit quiz करा गया इनको and they were asked to prove how
Their
big,
love and loyalty.
Yes. So today they've made it to this round table.
Fab.
To sit next to their favorite.
I'm honored. Thank you.
No, but I want to tell you I met you for Hira Mandi before the release.
Yeah. You'd only seen some 2-3 episodes.
Yes.
Yeah.
From then till now, when you're being bombarded with, tweets and posts and reels and just so much praise, what's happening inside Aditi's head?
It's very overwhelming, as you can imagine. Because I'm always filled with gratitude, actually. I just feel so grateful, and I'm like, you have to be very blessed to be in a place where you get this kind of love. And it's very like, प्यार से people, बहुत खुले दिल से. So, but I have to thank Sanjay sir first, who's put me in this place and given me this, what he's given me. I mean, it's amazing.
It is. Yeah. Touch wood. As much as I would love to have Aditi all by myself, but we are here at this fantastic round table with her fans. तो मैं सबको मौका देने वाली हूँ.
Yes.
We'll start with you.
My name is Akanksha, and I actually wanted to ask you, since there are a lot of actors in Hira Mandi, who is your favorite co-star?
Whoa, tough question. Very tough question. So I think for me, it was very surreal working with Manisha ma'am. Because when I was growing up, I'd watched 2 films which impacted me hugely and which made me want to become, I just wanted to be a Mani Ratnam heroine and a Sanjay Leela Bhansali heroine, and both those films had Manisha ma'am as the heroine in them. One was Bombay and one was Khamoshi. So Khamoshi. So when when I was told that she's playing my Ammi in the film and that I'm going to be with her, I was just like, wow, this is like some kind of manifestation, or I don't know what. So it was really incredible, and she's very warm, very sweet. I mean, I love the others, I really love them, but since you're asking me for one, she's the OG. So yeah, Manisha.
That's all. Thank you.
ये जब इतने आराम से बोला ना कि Mani Ratnam and Sanjay Leela Bhansali, and imagine the number of people jealous because
I'm it's a blessing to be picked by them. Really, truly,
So if you were asked to pick one between those two, whom would you pick?
I'm very grateful that they both have picked me. मेरी तौहीन.
यार अदिति, हम एक बार कभी सुंदर लग के बाहर जाते हैं ना तो हम बीमार पड़ जाते हैं, देन मदर से नजर लग गई है तुम्हें, तो do you get to hear that as well? Is there a kala dhaga or a kala tika that they make you?
Yeah, of course. I was working on a film in Chennai with Dulquer. And the director of that film, Brinda Master, she's Manisha's choreographer. So she's seen this goofy side to me, which most people have not seen. So she knows me really well. And on set, every day something would happen around me. Some light would fall, some trolley would almost go over my foot, some bulb would shatter right now. And so this happened 3 days in a row. and she called the EP and she was like, every day before this girl leaves set, I want her, like, she was very motherly like that. She
So
was like,
sweet.
every day I want her, in the south they say drishti, iski drishti उतार के उसको घर भेजना है. So they would actually do that. So they would get a coconut and they would do full dish. I would just stand like this, and every day of shoot she did that for me.
So
It's very
cute,
sweet,
so
like
cute.
really, really sweet.
Biggest fanboy movement of
So
my life.
sweet.
My name is
He's-
Harkirat Singh.
Say that again.
Harkirat Singh.
Harkirat Singh.
Yes. Literally the biggest fanboy movement ever in my life.
Thank
Or the best moment, I would
you.
say.
Thank you.
My question is, since she asked about Hira Mandi, there's a big star cast, and what's it challenging for you to make a presence?
You know, I do believe that when you're working, you know, where there's six leading, where there's six leads, there's six leading ladies, but at the helm of it all is a master. You know, Sanjay Leela Bhansali. Now there's so much, like, he also loves his actors very much. He really loves us, and he wants to do justice to each of us. Now, I really believe that any film, whether it's a love story, but just a boy and a girl, whether it's six people, whether it's an ensemble, whether it's whatever, each person has to shine for it to work, for it to get to you. You can't have one loose kaddi in that. And I think each one of us wanted to shine together.
हमारी बिब्बो यहाँ पे, and you've been sharing those reels, you know, where you're that Gajagamini
Yeah.
voice, suddenly like it's everywhere. It's been compared with the greats. Have you seen the one with
I've seen some of them,
Madhuri
yeah.
and Meena ji?
I was like pinching myself. Am I alive? Is this real? Yeah.
Okay, talk to us about that day on set, you know, acing that step. And did you know उस वक्त कि ये मतलब craze होने वाला है?
No, of course I didn't know that. And I know that Sanjay sir creates like iconic, you know, films and songs and dances, and he also has a lot of knowledge, you know. So वो तो पता है, and it was like incredible because हमारी हीरा मंडी की जो shoot थी, it started with सैया हटो जाओ. That was the first day of shoot, and it was just me on set. So I was like, wow, like this is some real, you know, it's also, I'm also like dying, but I'm also so lucky to be in this place. And Kruti Mahesh was choreographing. Nikita was there. She's a Kumudini Lakhia student. So she had, you know, done a little kathak with me. Sanjay sir used to come for rehearsals. But I will say that walk and the idea for that dupatta falling,
Yeah.
and that exact where the foot goes chan,
Yeah.
and you know the waist moves, that was Sanjay sir's idea in that tukda. And so people are calling it all kinds of Gajagamini, Swan Walk. I'm
yeah.
saying that's Sanjay Leela Bhansali's walk.
Okay, coming to Reet.
Yes. So firstly, I have to tell you, I saw this viral reel of you, okay? Somebody asks you, आप इतनी खूबसूरत है, ऐसा लगता है आपने चांद निगल लिया. And I'm experiencing that right now.
Sweet.
So on your Instagram, I love your bio. It says, in a world full of Kardashians, be an Audrey. Is Audrey Hepburn your inspiration? Because I'm a huge fan of Audrey.
100%. Huge. And not just because she was beautiful and a great actor, but also because of the human being that she was. Like, so beautiful from within. And when I was chota, everybody used to say that my mother looks like Audrey Hepburn. So I always had that, you know, connection with her.
Yeah.
Thank you. So I always had that thinky, you know, I don't know, I've always had this. Yeah.
Also, like, we're all having like a starstruck moment right now. So have you ever experienced like a starstruck moment where you have met some of your, you know, an inspiration of yours, somebody you've wanted to collab with and you were starstruck?
Collab as in be like, okay, so for me, like, I have an eternal crush and I mean, like, love for Shah Rukh Khan. And yeah, I think we all do that.
I think we'll take a moment.
Yeah, and everybody goes,
Especially
like
the girls are
collapses
like,
into a heap. Yeah, so he's like that. And very like in 2011, like 11 or so, I was quite new, and I had just come to Bombay, and I was told that there was a performance, and I was like, no, I won't do. And then I was told that it was Shah Rukh sir, and I was like, I'll do. So I went, and he was just the most incredible. But I remember the first time that I saw him, I had learned the dance and he was learning it. So he was very sweet and he said, you just sit and you just relax while I learn it and whatever. And I remember I was doing my stretches and watching him and I had like tears. Like, so I was like, is this for real?
That we understand. शाहरुख से starstruck होना तो बिल्कुल जायज़ है. जरा हम moment light करेंगे और आपको बताएंगे कि girl to girl, okay?
Yeah.
So Reed told me, she's like, oh, where am I sitting? Where is she sitting and all of that. Is she, I love her ring. I've seen it and
I'm not wearing it today.
So I know she must have like scanned your,
I did.
hand and.
So when I was coming, in fact, Charlotte, my makeup artist, she was like, Addu, where's your ring? I was like, oh, I left it at home. She's like, why aren't you wearing it? I was like, I don't know, yesterday, we were all together, the Hira Mandi team had met and it was very hot. And I was feeling like, I was like, if I do this, suddenly it'll fly off. So I took it out and I put it away and then I forgot to wear it.
So yeah, that she wanted to do कि close quarters से मुझे वो ring देखनी है. But that's a very special moment. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Is this-
But that ring also has a story. It's called the Toi Moi ring and that means the you and I ring. Yeah, that's why it's made the way it's made. So that I wanted to make it like that.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's
और ये जो
amazing.
glow है ये bright to be वाला glow भी है.
It's just a happy. It's just
Okay,
happiness.
okay. So read next time. हाँ मतलब I know that the first
Sorry,
thing you have
It's okay.
done is. But we love that. Yes.
Hello, so my name is Mrudula.
Hi.
Hi, and it is like I'm seeing you in TV right now. I'm just nervous. Oh my god! And actually, my mom forced me to wear traditional. She's like, we've watched Hira Mandi. You have to wear traditionals and.
And look at how I've come today.
It's fine. You're looking beautiful.
Thank you.
So
We all are looking lovely. I
Thank
feel
you.
as Indians we should embrace our roots. We have such beautiful clothes.
we have,
You know?
and you look beautiful in saris. I have to say.
Thank
that.
you.
You look beautiful.
Thank you.
I love this.
My mother will be like, "Aur bolo, aur bolo."
So we all have bucket lists. So do you have one as well?
Of the directors I want to work with?
Of anything that you want to do.
अरे so many things. अभी मैं यहीं पे बोल दूँ.
हाँ.
But for me,
you might be
again,
manifesting it.
yeah, but manifestation,
fantastic table.
but those again happen from here. So I feel like you put it out and then. So I speak about things that have happened once they've happened. So 100% I have a wish list. I have many dreams, and I'm a dreamer. So even though people think I'm having a lala dream, I'm having quite a focused dream actually. And actually, whether it's being a Mani Ratnam heroine or being a Sanjay Leela Bhansali heroine or being a L'Oreal Paris brand ambassador,
Yes.
I've dreamt these things. So yeah,
So cool. So you believe in
more
the power.
power to my dreams.
You believe in the power of manifestation.
I mean, I believe in the power of वो सच्चे दिल की जो dreams होती हैं ना.
As Shahrukh would
100%.
say.
Yes.
कायनात आपको
Yes.
तो कायनात आपको कान लेके जा रही है.
Yeah. Absolutely.
Okay, now we again want some tea about, have you figured out what you're going to wear? How many suitcases are going with you?
Suitcases तो बेचारी my stylist Sanam Ratansi, who will be handling all this drama because I cannot. I have so many things to do that I can't obviously look at all of this. But yes, I'm a good girl. I do all my fittings. I do multiple fittings, and I will continue to do fittings till I step on the red
So
carpet.
is it going to be a sari moment on the red carpet? Do you know
I mean,
what
I'm
you're
going
going
because I'm going with L'Oreal Paris and it's a brand thing. So I also have to be, aligned with the brand and what the occasion is. I have worn a sari at Cannes. The first year that I went, I wore a white, very simple white Sabyasachi sari, and I loved wearing it. And I was like, my grandmother and mother will be very proud of me for sure. But this time I can't tell you now, no? These are now. But how many suitcases are going? I'm pretty sure they're at least 5.
Not bad.
At least
Not bad.
5. Yeah.
Super.
5 is okay.
It's okay, na? Considering also one outfit goes in one suitcase.
I also have one more
Haan,
question.
please. Please. It's
So, what is the secret behind your flawless skin? You have.
oh my
flawless
God,
skin.
she's gotten into specifics now.
Oh wow, how do I answer this question? Actually, now when I'm not working, I keep my face clean, no makeup. And I also do, I don't have too much of a routine with my skincare, but like I use hyaluronic acid. I really swear by it. Then he's like, kya?
No, I myself do skincare.
Yeah, because skincare
I
is
don't know what this hand for you.
yeah, but I'm with you there. So yeah, so hyaluronic acid, all the vitamins, vitamin C, niacinamide, so all that. Then general moisturizing. What you put into your system, I think, is really important. See, my mother, when I was chota only, she has tricked me into believing that healthy things are tasty. So it's become so much a part of my this thing. So when somebody gives me like some weird green juice also, I'll be like, yeah, this is nice. And people are looking at me like, this girl is mad. But I actually think it's fine. But I like Golgappa. You should keep your soul happy. Yeah. If your soul is happy, your skin will be fine. Basically, I use kitchen things. So, matlab doodh, yogurt, whatever, yeah.
And also, sorry,
Oh my
Go
God.
for it.
what is your comfort food? So for me, it is tair sadam. And
I love tair sadam, but for me, it's idli, ghee pudi, and tenga chutney.
You actually like your food. I've seen you speak about food.
I love. I'm just lucky I have a small appetite. So
Are you into all these diets and intermittent fasting?
No, I can't diet. I cannot diet, but I can stay off certain things like sugar is not so great. I mean, sugar is not good for you, but I'll eat jaggery, I'll eat agave, I'll eat honey, whatever, stevia. Then, and I'm a cheaty, so I do like sweet, so I have to like a little bit like know that it's not good for you. Then, like I try to stay off gluten, but I love pizza, I love Golgappa. So I'll say like it keeps you happy, sometimes eat it, it's fine. So stuff like that.
Well, how do you handle yourself on the bad days with so much pressure around you?
I'm determined not to take the pressure, and I what I do. First of all, I have a lot of really nice people around me, so I always keep the energy happy. Also, the way I deal with the not so happy days is I just cry and I let it out of my system, and then after I've cried, then I'll eat something yummy and then I'll be fine.
That's easy.
And I can laugh.
Okay, so now we're like 3 girls and 1 guy. Can you give us some guy advice? What's a red flag according to you?
Oh, not bad.
Okay, I'll give you 2 red flags. There are people who, when okay, so you're in a situation where somebody does not have the power to counter you. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So I feel like people who misuse their privilege, and who talk down to people who cannot, say anything in
Yeah,
return.
you judge how they speak to those who are not as powerful as them.
Yes, I think that's a huge red flag. The second red flag, which I think is very important for all of us, is respect. And I don't mean respect like this. I mean just like a balance of, respecting each other's dreams, each other's space, each other's uniqueness. Yeah.
And an out and out green flag.
The green flag. The green flag is 100%. You should laugh together. It's a very important green flag. Just laughing together and being light. And also, I feel another green flag is when you feel like somebody is your home and part of your team, that the problem is there and we are a team.
So, are you into social media challenges? Because I saw your reel on Tum Tum, the dance video. So, do you like doing social media challenges and trends?
Sometimes. That day, I had to literally be like, come now, please, now, let's dance now, please now, please now. I was dying to dance because that day I finished shoot very early. And I was like, aaj to let's do. And I was hearing this song all over. And in fact, I
so
felt
good,
that...
and he matched steps like it was fun.
Yeah, he's a damn good dancer. But that Tum Tum I felt was kind of inspired by Sarita Vandile. Who's seen that? Who's seen Katraveli Day? You seen Katraveli Day? There's a film of Mani Sir's. There's a song of mine. It's a wedding song, and I felt Tum Tum was actually inspired by that song. And then I'm seeing Tum Tum, and I was like, okay, let's do this.
Oh, it was beautiful.
But I normally don't do these social media. I don't even realize what is trending, what is not trending. I have no idea.
So you don't scroll Instagram every day?
I try not to. Because otherwise, that's all you're doing.
That's all you're doing. Oh, you want to get into that?
Yeah, because it's like that only. It's like, damn, this thing
Are you a morning person,
distracting.
night person?
I love the morning. I really like the morning.
Okay.
Yeah. But you know what? You like, and the thing is, like when I came to this city, na, nobody's awake.
Yeah.
Before 11 o'clock, you
Yeah.
can't get anything done.
Yeah.
You're waiting
Yeah.
when they wake up.
Oh, you still wake up early?
Yeah.
How disciplined, how nice.
Discipline? No, I love to wake up early. I said,
Love
I
it.
love
So what's the
morning.
first thing that you do?
I'm also South Indian. See, something in my genetics. What's the first thing I do? I have kittens, so I play with them. Then I'm in service of my kittens. Like I make sure that they are fed and whatever. So I do these little things. Then I make my concoctions of various potions and lotions to drink.
To drink and to apply? Nice.
Apply, nahi, drink.
Okay.
Apply.
So, do you like filter coffee?
Actually, I never used to be a coffee person, but now I have bullet coffee in the morning. So my bullet coffee, I can keep a smile on my face the whole day.
So see, you do that for your skin. Ghee.
I have katoris of ghee, literally. I eat a lot of ghee.
So now we know. Guys, we're almost at the end of this. So
Last
quick.
question.
Oh my God.
You have a beautiful voice. You have a beautiful voice. Please sing something for us.
Yeah.
Please, please.
I'll sing a old song, okay?
खुशी देख रहे हैं आप इनके जो हैं आप गाइए
जाइए आप कहाँ जाएंगे ये नजर लौट के फिर आएगी ये नजर लौट के फिर आएगी दूर तक आपके पीछे पीछे मेरी आवाज चली जाएगी जाइए आप कहाँ जाएंगे ये नजर लौट के फिर आएगी.
Listen, Manish Malhotra is right. You wake up in a sharara and then you sing this.
But just now my voice is like a bhopu.
Looks
A real life
Please.
Disney princess.
तो हमें तो आपसे प्यार है और आपकी आवाज से और आपकी अदाओं से बिब्बो जान योरा जान thank you. It's I want to tell you how special this is because एक तो आपसे मिलना and this is our first Fever Fantastic Roundtable. So we've gathered your fans and
really?
you're here and
Fun! Oh wow! Sorry to interrupt you.
No, but please tell us. I hope you had fun.
Yes, I did. This is very sweet. I really like this, and also, you get sometimes you get like one second and just one photo, but this was very nice. I think it's a great idea. Please do it more.
Thank you.
How lovely. Thank you, and you all are so sweet. Thank you.
Fever FM. Happening.